Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to remove all of one color in Photoshop or many way. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then open your file or image. Okay, now see this logo. I remove this color for many way. Step 1, go to selection tab, color range and select color. I select this color yellow. For this color yellow or red, for red on slide, click OK. Now see this automatically selected this color, change color, lock this layer, change color or remove this color, apply the same formula, then click layer mask. Press Ctrl I or Shift I on your keyboard. Now see this, remove this color. And step 2, find this gradient tool, right click on your mouse, click pen bucket tool, mode normal for select clear, opacity 100%, tolerance 32, foreground color or use pattern as your wish. Okay, now click for any color, then remove. Hats on, tolerance 100%, then remove for resulted. For result 32. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.